Interested in investing in real estate but not sure where to start? Let me tell you 6 ways you can get started today. Then check out my latest blog for more details. I'll put the link in my bio. First, you can invest in rental properties. This generates passive income through rental payments. This can be a great way to build wealth over time. Secondly, you can start investing by house hacking or buying a duplex or other multifamily unit, living in one of the units and renting out the others. The third option is investing in a real estate investment trust or REIT, which allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of properties, think mutual funds, without having the hassle of actually being a landlord. The fourth option is house flipping, where you purchase distressed properties, renovate them, then sell them for a profit. This can be more hands-on, but can also be very lucrative if done correctly. The fifth way is the popular BRRRR method, which is somewhat of a combination strategy. BRRRR stands for buy, rehab, rent, and refinance. Finally, you can invest in real estate crowdfunding, which allows you to invest in specific projects with other investors and can be a really low-cost way to get started. If you want more information on any of these investment strategies, click on the link in my bio. Thanks for watching.